Hello children, so today we are going to discuss some of the remaining questions on the verbal questions. So that is another first question I have taken. Yash scored 40 marks in the test. That is, he got the 40 marks in a test. In that 40 marks, there is a condition that there will be 3 marks will be added, that is for the right answer if he has written a right answer, and 1 mark has been deducted for the wrong answer. Okay, so totally he got his 40 marks he got. Similarly, 4 mark, another one person, he got 4 marks for the correct answer and 2 marks he got for the incorrect answer, that is for the wrong answer. So totally he got 50 marks because he got the more for the correct answer. So that is why he got the 4 marks there. Here we have to say how many questions were there. Totally including correct answer, including wrong answer, you have to tell how many questions were there. So for that, let us write the answer. So let me take the correct answer. So correct answer as I'll consider as X, and for the wrong answer I'll consider as Y. For the wrong answer I'll take it as Y here. So we'll go with the first one, Yash. Okay, he got 40 marks for 3 correct answers. So how many marks we have plotted? That is X, 3X. That is for the correct answer. He got 3. That is, we don't know how many answers were there or how many questions were there. That we will get it as X we will take. That how many questions, correct questions or whatever wrong. So totally how many questions you can able to say? Both including correct one and the wrong one, you will take it as X plus Y. Isn't it? Correct question plus wrong question. Totally how many questions were there? That is X plus Y. Then 3X he got for the correct answer. If I subtract with the wrong answer, that is wrong answer is 1 marks he has deducted, that is 1 into Y. You will get, he has got it as 40 marks. That is the first equation. Okay. Similarly, the other one fellow has got 4 marks for the correct answer minus 2 marks for the wrong answer. So totally he got us 50. So that is equation number 2. Okay. This one we can, in the question you can solve any of the methods. Either you can use substitution or elimination method, or you can use the cross multiplication method also. So we are now doing the cross multiplication method. So that is why I'll use the same method here. So if you use the same method, you have to write first the basic equation, that is X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay, similarly I'll write is equals to Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1, that is equals to 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, so similarly for this to solve, I have to take what are the values we have to consider. A1 we have to have 3, B1 we have minus 1, C1 we have minus 40. Isn't it? Similarly, we have A2 as 4 as well as B2 as minus 2 and C2 as minus 50. If I substitute all these values in this equation, I'll get it as X by B1 C2 is there. So B1 is minus 1 into C2 is minus 50 minus B2 here is minus 2 into C1 is minus 40 is equals to Y divided by C1 is minus 40 into A2 is 4 minus C2 minus 50 into A1 is 3 is equals to 1 divided by, I'll substitute the last one, that is a constant. A1 is 3 and B2 is minus 2 minus A2 is 4 and B1 is minus 1. Now if I simplify this, x divided by minus 1 into minus 50 is plus 50, minus 2 into 40 is 80. This is plus 80 minus 80, you will get it as minus 80 is equals to y divided by minus 4 into, that is minus 40 into 4 is minus 160. Okay, 50 into 3 is 150, minus 150, minus into minus, plus 150. That is equals to 1 divided by 3 into 2 is minus 6. Then minus into 4 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus 4. So x by 50 minus 80 is nothing but minus 30 is equals to y divided by 1 minus 160 plus 150 is minus 10 is equals to 1 by minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So if I simplify this and this one I have to do cross multiplication. X by minus 30 equals to 1 by minus 2. So minus minus I will cancel. X equals to 30 by 2 means I'll get it as x value as 15. So this is the how much he got. That is for the correct questions. That is x equals to 15. Similarly, I'll do this one. Y by minus 10 is equals to 1 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. So y value I'll get it as 10 by 2. That is y is equals to 5. So totally the total question was how many questions were there, isn't it? So how many questions we can say now? X plus 5. So correct is 15. The correct answer he has got 15 marks plus 5. So totally how many questions were there? So totally it was 20 questions were there in that exam paper. Okay. So similarly we'll go with the next question.